Hello, yours. Welcome to Codeforany. Online maintenance and service SwiftUI inside. Today we need to develop this here the request accepting UI we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see this here the UI inside the XD files. So now we need to opening here the XD files and to similar to this UI we need to developing here like this request accepting we need to creating here. So now how to write down inside the SwiftUI. First of all, now we need to go inside the browsers and to select here the view inside we need to select here the home folders and inside we need to create here the new files and to select here the shift UI view and we need to write down here the screen names. We need to set here the request accepting screen like this create here. Now first of all we need to copying this here the all data. We need to needs make it similar to 80% these screens are the similars. If you not see this video, please see here the yesterday video and also need to import here the map kit like here's. Now we need to send this here the titles as a request accepting and center and we need to removing this here the this list no needs. Now need to clean here, need to set here the wish tag, remove it like this and also need to remove here this top no needs. Also remove this Z stack, set like this here the waste stack, remove this here the stack no needs. Need to cleaning here. Now we need to first of all the developing here the UI. We need to change this here the button names, cancel request. Then after pay now, like these buttons are the configures. And now we need to set here the another things. So we need to configure here, create here the horizontal stack and need to set here image resource resizables scale to fit. Maybe need to set here scale to fill. Set here the frame. Give this here the width as a 50 and also need to set here the height 50 and we need to set here the corner radius. We need to set here the 25. Now we need to find out here the user's image. Now need to copy here and we need to paste here like here. Then after we need to create here the another wish tag and we need to set here the titles and professions. We need to show here to value. Now need to copying here. We need to paste here two time and we need to set here the font size. Need to set here the 14 and we need to this users Alex Harris. Need to set here the titles and need to this professions as a plumber. Set here, need to set here the placeholder color. Remove here the frame size no needs. like this configures for this UI. Now this is the done here, and we need to showing like this here the another horizontal bar, and to set here the image system names, and to set here the star resizable. So need to set here the scale to fit, and we need to set here the temp width and height. So need to configure here the 15. Now we need to show here the rating value. Use this here the number text. Need to set here the 4.2, and we need to set here font size as 11. Also we need to show here the values of these amounts, $20, and to set here the primary text, and we need to font size, we need to set here the 14, and set here regulars, also set here regular, and here set here the regulars all fonts, here bold. Now we need to drawing here the dividers. Need to create here the rectangles, and to set here the fill colors. You need to set color black, opacity we need to 0.2, and we need to also configure this here the height, set here the 1, like this set here, and also need to set here the vertical 15 paddings, like this configures here for this UI. 8 is good because we need to already given this here the horizontal stacks inside the padding. Now we need to developing here the another buttons. So need to draw here for the calling, share details, chats, and more buttons. Now first of all, we need to write down here the horizontal stack here, and we need to creating here the button actions, and we need to set here we stack, set here the image resource inside. First of all, need to set here the call buttons. Now need to go inside the sets, and to find out here the calling buttons. Now need to copy here, and will to paste this here, and to use this here this format. Set here the scale to fit, and we need to set here the width and height. So need to set here the 20, and we need to set here the center text. Need to set here the titles as a call now button, and set here the placeholder, otherwise secondary app text. We need to set here the colorings. Now first of all, need to see this here the UI, and then after need to creating here the another's. We need to first of all the configure this year's book service. Need to book now, and we need to write down here the showing here first of all the BG new link, and to set here the contents as a request accepting screen, and we need to set here the show request. Now need to create like this flag, and state variables first of all need to set here the true, and also need to write down here the variable declarations state where show by default need to set this here the false. Check here again, sign ins, click here the application search, and we need to click here the book now, and look like this here the showing like this here this data. We need to first of all the fix this here the issue UI related. We need to first of all the give this here the padding, set here the 15, then after falls inside. Also need to set here the padding, and we need to remove here the max left, and set here the max center. Set here the RAM max width. We need to set here the infinity, and alignments we need to set here the center, and also need to configure here the bottom padding 15, and we need to set here the placeholder. 20, 30 is, and also need to set here the dot field, umber colors, orange. Now again test this here the UI, and look like this here the showing, but not putting here the padding. Set here the top 15s extension methods, and horizontals also need to set here the 15 similar, and to put here like here. Also need to configure here top 15. Set here the frame height, so need to setting here the 18. Again, so need to check here, remove here the height. Decrease here the opacity, and also need to set here the 25, and like this configures, and we need to convert into the common buttons. Now need to copy, and we need to creating here icon buttons. Create here the new file, select here the SwiftUI to set here icon button. Need to paste here, need to declare here some property, Set here icon as a calling titles. No selection events, need to no needs and to like this events. Now use this here the icon inside the here request screen. Set here the icon calling, then after titles call now and click it. Clear here. Again, now need to copy and to paste 3 times. Now we need to change this here the button titles as a share detail. Then after chat and last one is the more. Now we need to set here the one by one icons. First of all, we need to find out here the share icons. Copy here and we need to paste here share. Then after chat icons, we need to find here. And last ones we need to more icons we need to find out inside the sets. Like this sets and to restarting these apps and to check this here, compare with this here the UI. Book now. And similar to show this here the UI, you need to creating here same as you need to developing HD files UI. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.